Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In this video I'll be doing this easy, simple, yet glam and full coverage Eid makeup look. You can wear it anywhere. It's gonna be a perfect party makeup as well. It's not gonna be complicated at all, and if you can't wear eyeshadow, you will still be able to do this look. And if this is first time you are watching me, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. So let's move into the tutorial. So when I do my makeup, usually at first I do my eyebrows, and here you will see I will be jumping from my face makeup to eye makeup a lot because I think that way it makes it a little more fun to watch. So here at first I'm doing my eyebrows using IT Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, and the way I do my eyebrows is pretty simple because I have very thick eyebrows. So what I do is I draw lines at first using the eyebrow pencil, and then I keep on brushing it. That gives a very fine hair effect, and then I just use a concealer and I just clean up any mess. Here I use a flat brush, and the concealer I'm using is Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer. That's my ultimate favorite concealer. And then I use a fluffy blending brush to blend out everything. That way it makes it a lot more natural. And here now I'm moving into primer. Like I said, I'll be jumping from eye makeup to face makeup to eye makeup a lot. That way it makes it a little more even and fun to watch. The primer I'm using is from ELF Cosmetics, and this is the ELF Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer. I love this primer. This primer makes the foundation application so much easier. The foundation I'll be using today is MAC Studio Fix foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, and like I said, our today's makeup is going to be a full coverage, full glam makeup look. So yes, I'm using this RD Cosmetics Beauty Blender, and I'm blending the foundation in my face really well. Next I'll be using this concealer. It is Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Concealer, and ever since I bought this concealer, I've been using it into almost my every tutorial. This is my ultimate favorite concealer at this moment, and I am using my concealer to highlight my usual areas like under my eyes, forehead, nose, around my lips are a little darker, so I like to use my concealer over there. So yes, use the concealer according to your needs. So if you have any dark spot in anywhere else, you would like to use it over there. So yes, and then I'll be taking the same beauty blender and I'll be blending my concealer out. And yes, when I'm blending, I usually like to take my sweet time and keep on blending. Alright, so now I'm moving into my eye makeup, and to do my eye makeup today I'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina collection volume 1. This eyeshadow palette is so beautiful. It's a little pricey, like $60, but it's worth every penny. I love the formula of it so much. So here what I'm doing is, at first I'm taking the shade C5 and putting it in my crease so that it's a lot more darker in the crease, and then I'm using an empty blending brush and blending it outwards so that it gives a beautiful dimension to your eyes, so that it's a lot darker in your crease, and then you're just blending out in outer side. And then next I'm taking this shade A4. It's a beautiful golden shimmer shade, and then I'm putting it into my eyelids using fingers, and then later you can use a blending brush to just reach into the corners where you can't reach with your fingers. And basically that's gonna be it. And I try to make it so simple and easy. Even if you are not a pro, not even a pro, like even if you don't wear eyeshadow every day, you should still be able to do this look. That's how simple it is. And then I just put on my eyelash, and that's basically it. And to complete this look, I'll be taking a very small eye brush and putting the same shade C5 into my lower lash line so that it looks a lot more put together. Next, I'm just putting some mascara on, and this is the Tarte Cosmetics Tartiest mascara. This is one of my most favorite mascara as well. And then I will be moving a little bit back to my face makeup. This is the Benefit Hola bronzer in shade caramel, and this is an absolutely amazing product. I love it. This gives such a wonderful dimension to your face. So I like to use that same brush that it comes with because I don't know, I just think it's a lot more easier to use that brush. So yes, and I have to take a little more time to blend this so that there is no harsh line in your face, because you don't want to have any patchy bronzer in your face. So yes, take a little more time and do that. And those cute little blush and highlighter packs are so cute. They came last year in the holiday season. It's called 9 Ways to Shine Cheek Wardrobe, and I have a separate video only dedicating to those cute little things, and they are so cute and so good. And I'm using the same thing for highlighter as well. So yes, I would add the link in the description box, and it will also show up in the top of the video. If you want to, you can check that out. And I guess probably you can already guess what's my favorite brand. Tarte is one of my most favorite brand. I love a lot of their products. And next I'm moving into lipstick, and this is by Kylie Cosmetics, and this is in shade Shock, and it's a beautiful color. So here I'm applying my lipstick and I'm just about done. And I want to show you guys the earring that I picked for today's look. I don't know why, for some reason, recently I'm just so much into those asymmetric earrings. I have 3 or 4 pair of this kind of earrings, and they just look so elegant and so pretty. And I think those stars is just perfect. It makes my Eid makeup look complete. So that is the final look. Let me know what you think, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you again in another video, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and I hope to see you again in another video. And I wish you a very happy Eid. Have lots of fun. Probably stay at home, please, if you can. And have a wonderful Eid. Eid Mubarak. See you in another video. Bye bye.